we have just purchased this little bad boy. It's a Sealey 18 volt ½ inch cordless impact wrench. It's a wrench, not a driver. Remember that, folks, it's a wrench. Model number is the CP400LIHV. Variable speed trigger for greater control, cast aluminium gearbox, rubber gear head cover, thermal overload protection, double injection body with rubber grips for added comfort. Produces torque of up to 400 Newton meters, 295 pounds of foot torque. Fitted with electronic brake, LED working light, illuminates work area when triggered. Specifications: 18 volt, 3 ampere hour Li-ion battery, ½ inch drive, 0 to 2,700 BPMs, 400 meters, 295. No load speed, 0 to 22,200 RPMs, and it weighs 2.57 kilos. Okay, let's have a look. Nice sturdy box. For one, that's a good one, and it's quite a nice box. I do like these boxes with these plastic clips. So in the box, basically what you get is you obviously get the impact fitted with a battery and a charger. There's no sockets or anything, and there's a set of instructions there. So overall impression is it looks quite nice. Let's have a look. Stand up, come on. So that's the actual drill itself. ½ inch drive. Now it's quite small size. It's not, you know, some of the earlier ones were quite big. Get a measuring device. So it's roughly from the end. It's roughly about 22 centimeters, 23 centimeters maybe in length. Height wise, it's, what's that? That's almost 22. So it is quite a compact one. It's not a mega big bulky jobby. It's got a nice rubber grip. It does feel quite nice, and it does feel, it's not too bad. It does feel quite balanced. Yeah, it's obviously got this type of battery. Don't know if this type, if other brands have the similar battery that you could use on this, because I have seen with other models, you know, you can swap and change the batteries around, but it looks like there is 3 actual pin connectors, and then there's like a blank there. So whether that fits anything else, I don't know. If you know, and yeah, 3 ampere hour. It's got the actual you can see that very well. Can you see that? Yeah, charge indicator. So yeah, it's quite a nice tool. Quite looking forward to having a play with this. I'm going to take a lawnmower apart in a bit with it and see how it performs. But overall, it's well, it just says it's got, I think that's the model there, 2051 2019. So that's the model on it, I don't know, but it is quite a nice looking gun. Now, why did I pick this particular gun? Well, 2 reasons. That's all rubber as well. Two reasons why I picked this gun. I've had a Sealey cordless ratchet for about a year now, and I've been really impressed with it. It's just it's done everything I wanted it to do, and it's just been a nice tool to have, and it's really handy. I was originally looking for a Draper one, but yeah, I couldn't really seem to find one, you know, for what I wanted to pay. And then I was thinking about buying one of those cheap Chinese jobbies for like 30 quid, 40 quid. And then, you know, if you think about it long enough, you think, you know, cheap's not always good, is it? And, you know, I'd rather have something that's going to last rather than something that's just going to last 10 minutes. So, also with this, it has actually got the ball bearing in the socket, whereas the cheap Chinese ones don't have it. So that's a reason I went for this. This was I did get this for special price. I did negotiate a price with the seller off eBay. I managed to get it for 75 quid delivered, which is not too bad at all, because they are sort of going for like 93ish, 92, around that sort of area. And say Sealey, as far as I can, you know, Sealey is quite a respectable make. And as I said, I've had tools for them before, and I've really enjoyed them. It has got a belt clip as well. Obviously that must be for scaffolding or something like that, but you can imagine that hanging off your belt. It must be quite heavy. That might actually get removed at some point. But overall, it's a nice little size. So yeah, so far, yeah, it's getting a thumbs up so far. Obviously we haven't used it yet. We're going to use it. I don't know if that's any good. So that is the charging bay system. So it's got 3 pins for charging. So I don't know if any other batteries will fit this. I don't know, but the batteries are quite reasonable as well. So you can actually get you can actually buy a replacement battery. They are £39, I think. So that's not too bad for a 3 ampere hour battery. I don't think that's too bad at all. So yeah, so that's it. That's it for this video. The next video we'll give it a little try out and see how she performs. But overall, I'm quite happy with it so far.